CPI bites, the Strait stays closed, and the bulls keep on bulling. Then 8:30 arrives. With March CPI at 2.8% as the headline, core is 3.1%, it's sticky, it's stubborn, it's energy-driven inflation bleeding into services. June cut probabilities collapse from 55% to 35% within the hour. The Fed stays frozen at 3.5 to 3.75%. Powell's term expires May 15th, no successor is named, but the bulls keep on bulling. Yesterday's moves pushed higher right through the falling VWAPs from the recent highs. A retest for a bigger push higher and a potential challenge to the all-time highs could be on the cards, although in this current economic environment and the global geopolitics, it could well be a very bumpy ride should it get there. The VIX has reclaimed the rising trend line, so I'm going to suggest that it's voided for the moment, and this is a common and infrequent short-term pattern, and it doesn't really change the broader read. The ceasefire is 48 hours old, the Strait is not open, Iran is conditioning every vessel and claiming strategic control. 2 tankers have crossed since the deal was announced, so 2 out of 230 stranded inside the Gulf. Pakistan hosts the first former US-Iran talks in Islamabad today, and the first negotiations since the ceasefire began. We've got hot inflation, a closed Strait, and a cornered Fed. As for my own positions, my bear swings got flipped, which is a shame as I thought we might see at least a repeat of April 2nd, a little flush lower before that eventual pop higher. The no touch to the lower Bollinger Band was at least spot on. I haven't yet looked at the actual numbers, but flipping back to the bull side cost me about 20% of the premium collected on the flip, and I'm back to bullish on the short-term swings. I chose Friday, so today's the expiration, so they should be paying me out shortly after the open. Mainly because I didn't want to hold over the weekend. So the bullish continuation certainly looks like a spot-on read with the new system upgrades. The gamma exposure is all positive across the board, more stability in the movements expected. 6,800 looks like the floor for the day and quite possibly the week. The 6,850 could well be the high of the day and ultimately the week, although that could break, obviously, anything's on the cards, but the next magnet zone is going to be 6,900. And those whole and half numbers certainly are drawing price-like magnets at the moment. As for my own day trades, the premium poppers, 1 win, 1 loss, but with the new scoring system and progressive position sizing, it turned their potentially losing day into a net positive trade. All that remains now is to wait for the market open and see what the day brings us in the morning session. Have a great day's trading, folks. Bye for now.